Hello guys, this is my CS50 final project. My name is David. I'm from Lima, Peru. Currently I'm studying software engineering. Okay, my program is an inventory system for 3D printing. Let's see how it works. Here you can see the number of printers, operators, and total pieces. Um, with this program you can do the whole CRUD. Create, read, update, and delete those three things that are the key of a 3D printing factory. Printers, maybe you need to want a new printer like Creality, Anycubic, a new operator, and the most important thing, you need to have a register of all your pieces, your failed pieces, your successful pieces. First, we're going to register a new part, a new printer. So number two, let's say the new printer is a Creality. Enter. Now you want to register a new operator. Let's say the name is Sam. Now you can register a new part because you can register a new part because you have registered a printer and an operator. The name of your 3D printer, let's say it's, I don't know, plain. You can choose your printer, the Creality, operators. This is for Sam, and the material ABS, and the piece was a successful piece. Enter the number of hours, maybe 15 hours with 12 minutes, the date, other options. Another thing you can do with this program is you can see the performance of each operator. Let's see history of each operator. Let's see our Sam. Sam has a 100% of efficiency, okay, because he he only have he only have one piece, but this is gonna change, you know. Now you can delete a piece. Let's say see all printed parts. Okay, that's cool, right? You can see all your printed pieces. Let's delete a new piece, okay? Let's delete the plane, okay? Plane. Let's check. And your piece is gone. So you can have more fun with this program. Thank you so much to the entire CS50 team. It was an amazing course. Bye.